Hello, dear students. Thank you for being watching this video about the creation of the Spanish sentence. In Spanish, we create the sentences with el sujeto y el predicado. El sujeto is the person, animal, thing, and personal pronoun that is doing the action. And the predicate is the verb and the complement. The verb is the nucleus of the predicate. And these both together, they form complete ideas. Okay, so let's go and see in more detail what types of subjects there are. We have persons, we have animals, and we have things. And these are the ones that we substitute with personal pronouns. And the personal pronouns in Spanish are yo, tú, él, nosotros, y ellos. The first three are singular and the two second are plural. So, yo is first person singular, tú is second person singular, él, ella o usted is third person singular, nosotros, nosotras is first person plural, and ellos, ellas, and ustedes are third person plural. So let's go and see how they are used with the verbs in action when we conjugate them. So we conjugate them, and each of these personal pronouns, they have their own conjugation in the verb. The verbs have their own endings. For example, in this verb in present, the verb to eat, that is in Spanish comer, we have a conjugation that says yo como, tú comes, él come, nosotros comemos, and ellos comen. The good thing to see here is that they have different endings for each of the personal pronouns. And the personal pronouns that are implicit are called sujetos tácitos. What does this mean? It means that you can put a verb without personal pronoun and still having meaning. Why? Because in Spanish, the verb is having the ending of the person or the personal pronoun that is doing the action. So, for example, bebo, that means drink, bebo agua fría is having an implicit subject, which is yo. So yo bebo agua fría. But it doesn't matter, it's not here with yo. The sentence is complete because the ending of the verb has an agreement with the personal pronoun in number and in the area of the time. In this case, present tense. Okay? So thank you so much for being watching this video. I appreciate a lot your interest in this beautiful language that is Spanish. Have a wonderful day. Bye.